Okay, got about 1 or 2 minutes left. Didn't put much in because I wasn't sure how much I actually really can hold despite what the paper says. Alright, last minute. I think, maybe less. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. But it's moving. Doesn't even feel like 15 minutes. I wonder how long that video's been playing because I played it right at the same time as this getting started, so. Alrighty. Next up is the drain. Well, the drain works. That was mighty nice though. Alright, so up next, there's the dryer. Or rinser? I'll wait till that's done. Yep, it's in. I really can't fit much in that. Like, how big is that engine? What is that, like a gallon? Okay. Chilean. Pillowcase, baby pillowcase. Two blue rags. Okay. I almost forgot. There we go. That there. Close that. Alright, so what the heck? Uh-oh. That ain't good.
Nada. No funciona. No funciona. Nada. La secadora. La lavadora sí funciona.
So this is the TABU washing machine. They call it a dryer as well, but it's really just a spin cycle. not very big. You can see it here. This is the whatever hose that's connected to my bathroom sink. It's the only faucet in my house that will work. So I set it for 15 minutes and on normal, because what I put in here was a light jacket, a shirt, and a bra. This is so cool. All right, there'll be another video when it starts to drain.